Trec așa, minunat. Foarte cool, neac. Hello guys, I just want to share with you my first stereo compressor unboxing. So let's see what we have here, because this might be the beginning of a new chapter for me in my audio production journey. So let's do it. Okay, so we have a box. Let's get it out one more time. I'm gonna do it right now, right here on the floor. I'm gonna unbox it. So, oh yeah. Okay, this is the first clue. We have some cables, Japan only. For Canada, there is this one. Okay, we have a piece of something. There we go. My first ever stereo compressor. I need a bigger studio to have more space one day. Okay, so that's it. We don't need these boxes anymore. Let's see, what do we have here? Well, we have a beautiful compressor. I feel like it's Christmas again. We have something, some tape right here. Cool. And there you go. What a beauty. What a beauty, man. Okay. Okay. I'll read this one more time later, but for now I would like to test it just to see if it starts working. Let's see, is this one? Okay, is this the one for Canada? Okay. We need some power and the moment of truth. Okay. Did you see that? I don't know if you've seen this, but I'm gonna do it again. Pretty cool, huh? Okay, so stay tuned, because in the next couple of days I'm gonna put some testing videos. So yeah, this marks a new chapter for my audio journey, and I'm going hybrid. It's time. Until next time, stay cool and make great music. Deci merge, man.